Hello everyone, I am Priyanka.
I am Shahnaz.
Today we are sharing something simple yet powerful. Email Etiquette Emergency Kit. Small changes in your email language can make you sound more professional, confident and polished.
Exactly. Sometimes we use phrases that sound uncertain or too casual without even realizing it. So, today we will show you what to avoid and what to say instead.
Instead of saying sorry for the delay,
Try saying thanks for your patience. This sounds more positive and professional.
avoid saying sorry, I missed that.
Say thanks for letting me know. It keeps the conversation solution focused.
Instead of replying with no worries,
Always say happy to help. This sounds warm, confident and courteous.
avoid writing just checking in.
Instead say when can I expect an update? It sounds clearer and more professional.
Instead of hopefully that makes sense.
Try saying let me know if you have any questions. It sounds more confident.
Avoid saying maybe we can consider.
Say let's explore other options. It sounds collaborative and proactive.
Instead of saying let me know what you think,
Say, I would appreciate your feedback. More professional and respectful.
avoid if it's not too much trouble.
Try. Please take a look and advise. This is direct and confident communication matters.
Instead of saying I'll try to get it done by Friday,
Say, I will have it done by Friday. Strong communication builds trust.
avoid saying I'm not sure but.
Say, based on my understanding. It sounds thoughtful and professional.
Instead of saying I'm little worried about this,
Try. I have some concerns we should address. This is clear and constructive.
avoid saying let me know when you're free.
Say, would you be available to discuss? This is simple, polite and professional.
Professional emails are not about using difficult words.
They are about communicating with clarity, confidence and respect.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel.
And keep learning, keep growing. Thanks.